Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's cold outside, so I thought I'd run some trains. What I haven't run before is a VisionLine GS-1 708. It's been sitting on my shelf for a couple of years. I thought about selling it and decided to dust it off, put it on the track. I went ahead and programmed it, filled it up with some smoke fluid, and spun it around the track. So the thing that's unique about the VisionLine GS1s, it's got the cylinder smoke that oscillates back and forth. We've got the thing that's neat about the Southern Pacific engines is the bellowing sounds that come from the steam engines. It really is a good reverberating sound, and try to say that. And lastly, the sounds are unique to the engine, so they refer to the engine number, whereas a lot of the legacy engines is pretty generic sounds. So enjoy the video, and please subscribe. Thank you.
Yard office to SP-708. Make a pull to the pit to top her off. Over. Okay, let's get to work.
SP708.